How to add signature in Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add your signature in the Gmail app from your mobile phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Gmail with your account. Okay, so after you open the Gmail, you'll got such interface. So from your tap on the three line, just at the top left corner. Alright, so from this interface, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option settings. Okay, so from the settings section again, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option signature settings. Okay, so from your tap on mobile signature. And now from this interface, you can easily type your signature on the section. So simply go with the section, type your signature, and from your you can easily type your signature. So I will type here my name. Alright, so after done it, you'll have to just tap on the option done just at the top right corner, and after tap on that, you can easily add or implement your signature in your Gmail app. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.